Welcome to the Motivation and Personal Development channel. At the heart of every great achievement lies a journey of personal growth. It's not just about reaching goals. It's about evolving into the best version of yourself. Welcome to our channel dedicated to empowering you on this transformative path. Here, we delve deep into the art of self-discovery and personal development. From practical strategies for setting meaningful goals and effective time management to insights on building resilience, fostering positive habits, and nurturing a growth mindset, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Embracing personal growth means embracing challenges, learning from setbacks, and cultivating a mindset of continuous improvement. Whether you're seeking to enhance your career, relationships, or overall well-being, our videos provide actionable advice and inspiration to help you thrive. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to unlocking their full potential. Together, let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Here's to unlocking new possibilities and achieving your dreams.